That moment when
your stomach can feel the altitude is changing. Like the colors, like the weather. It makes the drive exciting.
Woo! This is like in those commercials where it says professional drivers only. I guess I'm a professional. Dang, oh, you could see there's just like U's going up. Don't get in there. Oh yeah, get one of the last spots. Fellow non-bougie car owner. An e-oil. Definitely have one of these with you. Even if you really know the terrain, if you get like a sprained ankle and you fall all of a sudden, you know, you could not be able to get up. So yeah, this is my emergency blanket. I'm putting it in my pocket. And sorry if I'm talking weird. I'm really excited. I'm so excited I can't talk. All right, let's get on this trail, dude. Whoa.
Listen carefully before. Which bird is it that makes that funny whistle?
Thought it would be melted. Stupid me, but it's okay. A little narrow to not have hiking boots on. That's what I was saying. To bring emergency things just in case. No biggie. Just doing the hiking Vans. Real local native stuff. I can even do it in flip-flops. See? I go off the trails too. And then I call it backcountry. To all my friends. But look at this, dude.
This hike is sure to keep anyone smiling like a goofball with its $1 million views.
It's so cool. Ooh, Nelly, it's starting to get a little sketch, but hold on to the little twigs. Ooh, hold on. Let me go to this end. Ice skating. Taking the time to appreciate my blessings as I enjoy God's divinity. Thank you for allowing me to avoid stepping in crap. Thank you,
Just
God.
enjoying the view. Now let's keep going. Look at these colors. They're so insta-perfect, yet there's no color grading. Wow, that's sunset too. It's coming in.
I suppose if you're really feeling adventurous, you could go up there too. But I'm assuming that red means no. Definitely don't want to fall down there. All the driving to get up here, but it is worth it, isn't it? It's beautiful, huh?
You know, I think I'll tell you the story of my life.
Story? I want to hear too.
I see the parking lot. We didn't slip off.
Well,
I'm
it
alive.
went pretty much like this.
Alright.
The dog's gonna drive. I did see someone slip, and it was like right by the edge too. So it is slippery. Whoa. That's what I have to drive back on. Well, we'll be okay. As long as we leave before dark. I mean, I've driven through all these mountains at dark, but it's easier when it's still kind of overcast.
Right after this is some film footage. Here we go.
Oh, tiny little people.
Let's take one last look. Let's revel in this moment.
Send extra limbs, put it on the front to me, to be near. Swallow up the day's romances, spit them out as second chances, and when you're done, we'll still be as one. Coming to your
Super cool acai bowl type spots. So that's where I'm headed now, and let's check that out. That was really fun though. Just gave me some fresh air, some feelings of rejuvenation. So this is like a healthy fast food place. It's empty. I've always wondered, like, why isn't there a healthy fast food? But then people tell me there would if it made money. It's cool. We're going to the hotel due to snowstorms and road closures by me. I just passed by a costume superstore. Oh, look where we are. The infamous... Can't read shit. Oh, Colfax. If you don't know, this is like a very San Francisco part of Denver. So just imagine like a little piece of SF in Denver. So yeah. We got the Western Hills right there. Little charming place. Just like that, rich people. And yeah, I mean, if you have like a big crib in the city down here, you're rich. Ooh, green. All right, we here. I was just listening to that song that goes, I want your love. Voice effect in case of copyright issues. Yo, can you imagine how lit the 80s were? Hit after hit, song after song. And like you hear that John coming from the bass, at least because I have subs. I have subwoofers. Wow, like I wish I got to like go out back then and like have a weekend in the city back then and like be young. But anyway, I'm gonna check in. Really? I guess Target just really wants to get sued. Like, what is this? What is that? Like someone about to get their heel stuck and die up in here and get themselves a nice little paycheck. Acai bowl. Girl.
In half a mile, take...
I actually didn't turn on her voice. She just turned on, but I guess I'm not totally mad at it. But I gotta get over. Oh, Jesus! That was such a big pothole.